So today I treated myself to 3 new lipsticks, all orangey reds. I always stick to Lady Danger by MAC, so I thought I would try some new ones out. The first one I'm going to try is Pat Mc Grath. Oh my god, this packaging actually makes an absolutely brilliant present for someone. Look at this cute little tie. And then you can, oh, look at that. The images are just to die for. Ingredients, that's really good for those who've got allergies. Pat's listed all the ingredients. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, it's beautiful, so gorgeous. That is so gorgeous. I'm going to try the Pat Mc Grath in Luxe Trance Major Red. Can you see that? And then, like I said before, those of you who've got allergies, there's a list inside. Let's see how it goes on first. Easy to apply. I don't know, I wouldn't say it was matte. Semi-matte, maybe? The bullet is nice and sharp. I always put my lips together. I find it easy, and then you get the natural shape, and then you just tidy it up. That's not matte, so I didn't say it was an orangey red either. That's why you should try before you buy. I just grabbed it, and didn't research, but it's fine. I absolutely love it. You do have to be careful when you get lipstick that's orangey. It can make your teeth look a bit yellow. Right, I'm gonna blot this. It's gorgeous. Really, really pretty. So that's Pat's Major Red. Gorgeous. Really lovely shade. The packaging is insane. Like, look at that. You're just gonna want to keep that forever. When you're taking a strong colour off, it's better to use something oily, you know, facial oil, or if you've got an oily cleanser, otherwise it stains a little bit. I've just got a bit of facial oil here, and I'm just going to use that to clean that up. Okay, what's next? HUDA. I heard so much about this. Power Bullet Matte Lipstick by HUDA Beauty, and the colour is El Commando de Mayo. And let's have a look. Packaging not as pretty as Pat's. A bit plasticky. Ooh, that's nice though. Nice shape. Nice sharp bullet. We like that. See that? Gorgeous shape actually. Yeah, it's a pretty good looking lipstick. Such a shame to use them. Right, let's see how easy this is to apply. Wow, really sharp. Look, it works almost like a lip pencil. This is definitely matte, but it doesn't apply like a matte. It's really easy to apply. You know how sometimes when they're matte, they're incredibly hard to apply, and you have to keep going over it, but this is, look, really good, solid, from one application, a really good solid colour. I just need to tidy it up a bit. Oh, I'm really impressed with that. Colour's really good, and like I said, it's solid. It was really easy to apply for a matte lipstick. Yeah, like that. Top marks for that one. So that is HUDA Power Bullet Matte Lipstick. And the colour I've got on now, El Cinco de Mayo. El Cinco de Mayo. Easy to apply, nice colour, top marks. Right, take that off. Oh, another thing I wanted to mention about cleaning, if it did happen to be something that you were using on a client, there's another way rather than scraping your lovely lipsticks. It's IPA, which I always have in my kit. downsize that. That's just a little bottle, spray bottle from this. This is IPA. You get it from all professional makeup shops. 99% alcohol. Cleans your brushes. It is really, really strong, so you don't want to soak your brushes in it for too long, but it cleans them, and I wouldn't go on a job without them. For all of that, it's $7.95. That big bottle there lasts you for ages. So yeah, like I said, you can either spray on the bullet like so and then wipe, or you could spray on the tissue. Okay, so number 3 lipstick is Laura Mercier. This is Extreme Matte Lipstick and the shade is Fire. Ooh, you see it? So this packaging is pretty slick. It's a stick, if you like. Usually quite easy to put on, but let's have a look. Oh, this is lovely. This really is orangey. Yeah, lovely. For a matte lip, it's really matte as well, but it goes on so nice. Easy. That's a really nice colour. It's making my teeth look a little bit yellow. That's the only thing for me, but I love the shade. And with someone with really super white teeth, it wouldn't be an issue. So that's Laura Mercier Extreme Matte Lipstick in Fire. So let's have a look. So we've got all 3. So the Pat one wasn't in Major Red, wasn't orangey really at all. That was my fault. I just kind of grabbed and didn't investigate enough. It's gorgeous. Pat wins hands down with the packaging. Is gorgeous. The colour was really lovely. It wasn't matte. That's fine. Still a gorgeous, gorgeous red. The one really went on well. Good solid colour. Wasn't difficult to apply. The bullet is really good. Packaging, yeah, it's pretty slick. So that's really good. And this is beautiful. Packaging, fine. Really handy to have in your handbag. Really lovely orangey red. And easy to apply. All really good additions to my kit. Happy with those.